Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to record internal audio while screen recording using QuickTime Player. Hey, my name's Danny Bull. I'm a cameraman for the BBC. Over the last 10 years, I filmed in the Amazon and the Himalayas, from the Rohingya crisis in Bangladesh to the protests in Hong Kong. I hope to share here some of the tips and tricks I've learned over the years. Okay, so this is something we're going to use when, for example, we're going to record a Skype interview and we can record the screen, get clean audio from ourselves and clean audio from the person we're talking to on Skype or FaceTime or anything like that. Okay, if this helps you in any way, please like the channel so that more people can see it. You can subscribe here and like the video, and that way more people can have access to this information. Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is download Soundflower. And I'll put a link to the download in the description below. Okay, now in case this fails, you have to go to System Preferences and go to Security and Privacy, and then you can allow download from Matt Ingalls. Okay, it'll be like that. So you hit Allow. So you're not actually downloading a program once you've opened the package. Okay. What this is going to do is it's going to be a driver that's going to run in the background to allow you to reroute the audio. So we're going to hit Command Space to get our search function. Go to Audio Midi Setup. Okay, now I already have these here because I've already set this up on my machine. So what I want you to do is hit the plus sign down here and you will hit Create Aggregate Device. So when I hit Create Aggregate Device, and this will pop up. So I'm going to rename it, which you will also, to Audio for QuickTime Player. Okay? And my clock source will be Soundflower, 2 channels. Okay? And mine shows Quartet. That's this machine. This is an audio interface. You will probably have something more like a built-in microphone showing here for you. So you'll select Soundflower and built-in microphone, or if you have an interface or an external mic, you'll select that mic. Now the next step, we're going to hit the plus sign again and create multi-output device. That will allow this to appear. Now we're going to rename it, double click to rename, and call it Screen Record Internal Audio. I'm going to once again have my master device Soundflower, and we're going to use Soundflower 2 channels and the Quartet, which is my audio interface. You'll probably have something else like built-in microphone. Okay, so now we can close all that. That's done. That is now taking care of the rerouting of our audio. So now we will do Command Space to go to our search spotlight, and we're going to go to our sound. Okay, now in our sound, I'm going to change my output to what we called here. We called it Screen Record Internal Audio. That's where we get that name from, Screen Record Internal Audio. Once you are done with the screen recording, you can then select back to MacBook Pro speaker or whatever your audio channel output is. Okay, so now we can close this back up, and I'm going to hit Command Space for our spotlight search again, and I will select QuickTime Player. Now this is already open for me because I'm recording a screen recording right now. So that's why this has now been grayed out. So instead I can have a new audio recording just to show this working. So I'll go to New Audio Recording, and in my drop down I already have it set, but you will set it down in this caret, what we called Audio for QuickTime Player. So you can see every time I'm speaking, this video is reacting towards that. Okay, and now just to show an example, we can see that our video, just to show internal audio is working, I can just select the video.
This was the day a self-styled democracy movement came close to mob violence.
And that's the video from Hong Kong that I recorded with Jonathan Head. And you'll hear that audio coming from the computer, not from the speaker recording from the microphone. Okay, so that's recording internal audio. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully this helped as many people as it can. Okay, thanks.